Best Luxury Midsize Car for 2025 to 2024 Cadillac CT5. The 2024 Cadillac CT5 has been awarded the title of Best Luxury Midsize Car for 2025, distinguishing itself with a combination of sophisticated design, powerful performance, and advanced technology. As Cadillac's premier entry in the luxury sedan segment, the CT5 delivers a compelling blend of comfort, style, and innovation. Striking design and opulent interior. The 2024 CT5 stands out with its bold and refined exterior, featuring a wide, aggressive grille, sleek LED headlights, and dynamic lines that enhance its athletic appearance. Inside, the CT5 boasts a luxurious and well-appointed cabin designed for comfort and convenience. High-quality materials such as leather upholstery and real wood trim create an upscale atmosphere. The spacious interior includes a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system equipped with Cadillac's latest user interface, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The CT5 also offers an optional 15-speaker AKG audio system for an immersive listening experience. Performance and handling excellence. The 2024 Cadillac CT5 offers a range of engine options to cater to different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 237 horsepower, while the sportier CT5V variant is equipped with a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine delivering 335 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive performance. The CT5's advanced suspension system and rear-wheel drive, with an optional all-wheel drive, contribute to its balanced handling and comfortable ride. Cutting-edge safety and technology. Safety is a major focus for the 2024 CT5, which comes standard with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. These include automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, and lane departure warning. Optional upgrades such as adaptive cruise control and a surround view camera system enhance the vehicle's safety and convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 Cadillac CT5 excels as the best luxury midsize car for 2025, thanks to its striking design, powerful performance, and advanced technology. Its combination of luxury, performance, and innovative features makes it a standout choice for drivers seeking a premium driving experience in the midsize sedan segment.